Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be doing another look with the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. And that's what it looks like, in case you missed it. But I'm going to be doing kind of a, well, it reminds me of Halloween, even though we're far from Halloween. But I'm going to, well, not that far actually. Anyways, I'm going to do a look with this palette, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses, and I'm actually going to use today the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer from Elizabeth Mott. I'm going to put that on my eyes. I've only used that eyeshadow primer once, so we'll see how it does. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Pumpkin Spice up here as my transition shade, this orange. So, how are y'all doing today? Hopefully you are doing good, staying safe, all that fun stuff. Having a good Labor Day. I don't think anybody's really partying today. I don't know, some people might. Going to the lake, going to the pool. We didn't do anything. I woke up, stayed up late, and then woke up early, and so I took a nap most of Labor Day. And but my daughter, my youngest, my mom took her to their condos to swim, so she got to go to the pool. Now I'm going to take Spice of Life down here, this purple, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take PSL and Chill right here, this purple shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. Alright, I'm going to clean up with a cotton round and some micellar water real quick. Now I'm taking the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I'm going to dot that on my face. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 210N. And I'm going to dot that on my face as well. I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma F47 multitasker brush. Alright, now I'm taking Dose of Colors Concealer in 08 Light. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes as I drop everything. Kind of digging this eye look so far. I'm going to blend out with my concealer brush. Might have to wear this trick-or-treating this year. If we can trick-or-treat. Yeah, I think I might wear this trick-or-treating this year. Hopefully we can trick-or-treat, but should be able to trick-or-treat if you put a mask on, if you're wearing a mask. Alright, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in Translucent. Just a regular pressed powder. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes to set them. I'm taking the Hoola Bronzer Mini. And I'm going to warm my face up with this. I'm going under my chin, down my neck. I'm going to take the Essence, the blush in 10, Befitting. And I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. And I believe this is my favorite of the Essence blushes because I'm always using Befitting. I'm taking Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials highlighter and Glazed Donut. I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheeks. Wow, that was a little too much. Going over my brow, other brow, down the nose, cuticle, and chin. Alright, I'm going to take Spice of Life right here. I'm going to put it on the outer half of my lash line, my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take PSL and Chill, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lash line. Alright, I'm going to take the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in Fierce Purple. And I'm going to use that on my waterline. Alright, now I'm taking whipped cream up here at the top. It's just a matte white shade, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Change of plan, I'm going to take PSL and Chill and put it on my inner corner. Now I'm going to put on some Essence Lash Princess. Alright, for lips, I'm taking the Revlon Shine Super Lustrous Shine Lipsticks in Nude Illuminator. And I'm going to put that on my lips. And I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Because you want your makeup to last on Halloween night. Alright, well this is the final look using the Pumpkin Spice, Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette for the second time. I think that this turned out great. I really like it. I really think that around October it would be a perfect look for just to look Halloweeny. I really like it. There's a couple more looks that jump out at me with this palette, so if you're interested in seeing more looks with this, just let me know down below. I'd be happy to do a couple more looks or another look with it if you are interested in it. So just let me know down below so I know what y'all want me to do. But anyways, I hope y'all like the look. I hope y'all are all doing well, staying safe, like I said, wearing your mask, just taking care of yourselves, being happy and healthy. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. And also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I guess that's going to be all for me. Like I said, just take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.